centuries before Jesus. The children of Israel found themselves wandering in a brutal, scorching desert with no food in sight. Fearing starvation, the people began to weep and complain bitterly to Moses, wishing they had never left Egypt. Moses cried out to the Lord on behalf of the desperate nation, and the Creator responded with a promise of supernatural mercy. The Lord said to Moses, "Behold, I will rain bread from heaven for you, and the people shall go out and gather a certain quota every day."
Manna? What is this?
This is the bread which the Lord has given you to eat. The people gathered it eagerly. It tasted like sweet wafers made with pure honey, completely satisfying their hunger. "Let no one leave any of it until morning." But some did not listen. Driven by fear of tomorrow, they tried to hoard the bread and store it away secretly. By morning, the hoarded manna was rotted, full of worms and foul-smelling. Their anxiety had bred decay, but outside the tents, the fresh manna rained down again. God proved that His mercies are completely new. It teaches us not to ruin today by worrying about tomorrow. The same God who provided for you yesterday will rain down fresh favor.
For 40 years in the wilderness, God never failed them. He is your ultimate provider, and His loving intervention in your life will never run dry.